Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, your go-to source for all things health and wellness. We're here to uncover the fascinating world of natural remedies, providing you with insights that could potentially transform your lifestyle. Today, we turn our focus to a humble yet powerful plant, the dandelion. More specifically, we'll explore what happens to your body when you drink dandelion tea. Today, we delve into the world of dandelion tea and its amazing benefits. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video to spread the knowledge. Dandelion tea isn't just your ordinary herbal drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be discovered. This humble herb, often dismissed as a common weed, is steeped in rich nutritional properties that have been celebrated in traditional medicine over centuries. When brewed into a soothing tea, the dandelion releases an array of antioxidants, essential for combating harmful free radicals in our bodies. But that's not all. This golden infusion is also a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. From vitamin A, known for promoting healthy skin and vision, to iron and calcium, crucial for supporting bone health and blood function. And let's not forget the potassium, a key player in heart health, and the fiber, aiding in digestion. Indeed, dandelion tea is more than just a refreshing beverage. It's a health-boosting elixir. Each sip is a step towards wellness, a testament to the magic of nature's offerings. So next time you're reaching for a cup of tea, consider the dandelion and its myriad of health benefits. Now, let's delve deeper into what happens to your body when you drink dandelion tea. It's not just a simple beverage, but a natural remedy with a wide range of health benefits. First off, it aids digestion. By stimulating the production of gastric juices and bile, dandelion tea can help break down food more efficiently, easing bloating and discomfort. Moving on, it's a fantastic supporter of liver health. The antioxidants in dandelion tea work to detoxify the liver, helping it function at its best. Next up, it's a natural regulator of blood sugar and blood pressure. For those with diabetes or hypertension, this humble tea can be a helpful addition to your diet. Last, but certainly not least, dandelion tea supports weight loss. It's a natural diuretic, which means it promotes the elimination of excess water and salt from your body. So it's a great ally for anyone looking to shed a few pounds. As we can see, dandelion tea works wonders for our bodies in numerous ways. So to sum it all up, dandelion tea is a hidden gem in the world of natural remedies. Its benefits stretch from digestive aid to inflammation reduction and even detoxification. The magic of this humble weed is now unveiled, proving it to be more than just a garden nuisance. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of dandelion tea. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, this is Natural Lifestyle Remedies signing off.